So hi friends, welcome to the Lazy Busy Gamer. In this video we will be solving some coding problems. From which website? I think what was that website? I don't remember the website name. It was I'm so sorry, I just started a live video and I forgot the website from which I will be. Greek Geeks for Geeks. Yeah, from this website we will be solving some coding problems. Let's go get into it, and the programming language will be selecting at the runtime. So where are the practice problems? Problem of the day. Let's search. Let's first of all solve an problem of this day. It is a medium problem. XOR linked list. Let's try to solve it. Okay, we'll try. We'll not be using C++, obviously. Will you be using Java? Okay, cool. We'll be using Java. Okay. Now, first of all, I need to set up Java. I'll open CMD. No, not this. Okay, we actually don't need this. We just okay. We have an code file here. Okay, we just have to open it by the VS Code. I think your voice is clear. We'll also use meshy vibes so that we can get a open a terminal now. Shift it here. Probably remove this code, and now we are. Yeah, we are here to go. So here we will be coding, and here we'll get the output. Cool. Okay, let's look into this problem. I hope my stream is clear. I'll check it once again on my phone. So let me check. I'm there, buddies. And in the live, if you have any doubts, you want to know, you want to ask anything, you can just comment, and I'll respond. Okay. So here we will be coding, and here we'll get the output. Cool. Nice. So I also have the live chat open in front of me. If you have any doubts, you can just ask while I'm trying to solve this F problem. Okay. Okay, my laptop is kind of hot. Not that, so let it be. An ordinary doubly linked list requires space for two address fields to store the addresses of the previous and the next node. Okay. It's simple thing. Okay, so I first of all have to save this thing. No, I don't want to export it. This is an app for which I was working. I'll save this on the desktop. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now I can reset this. Create a new drawing for now. Cool. So they're talking about doubly linked list, which look like something like this. So I'll just make a simple doubly linked list for now. This will be a linked list, doubly linked list. Okay, cool. So this is a doubly linked list. This is our doubly linked list look, and in this we have some data. For example, we'll put numbers. So yeah, this is our doubly linked list look like. Okay, cool. A memory efficient version of doubly linked list can be created using only one space for the address field with every node. Okay, the memory efficient doubly linked list is called XOR linked list or memory efficient. Okay, as the list uses bitwise XOR operation to save space for one address. Okay, so they are telling if you talk about XOR, this type of doubly linked list, it saves memory because it has only one address. Okay, normally what happens is, rather than this I'll use this. So normally two addresses are there. in a W linked list. It should probably be like, I'll tell you. Okay, forget it. So they are telling that XOR linked list has only one address in it. Given a stream of data of size n with a linked list, I think we should probably use. Shall I use C++? I don't know. I'm okay with it. But let's see. Size of n. Your task is to complete the function insert get list. The insert function pushes insert at the beginning the data, the given data in the linked list, and the get list function returns the linked list as a list. Okay, understood. A utility function XOR takes two node pointers to get the bitwise XOR of the two node pointers. Use this function to get the XOR of the two pointers. Okay, the data-driven code prints the returned list twice, once forward and once backward. Okay, they'll put this kind of thing. What's my what I have to do in this? I didn't get it. Okay, I just have to complete these two functions, get list and insert function. Okay, cool, got it. Oh my god. Oh my god, what should I do now? It's kind of dangerous. Let's first of all just copy this thing. Okay. Not able to copy. User function template. I'm not using user function template for Java. Okay, there's a no class, there's a constructor, data, there's the data. Okay, cool. The class is there. Don't need this thing. I just have to complete this class. Insert and okay. Now I'll be getting the head and the data. Now I actually don't know how I will be working with pointers in JavaScript. This is totally confusing for me, but I'll try. There's no time limit, okay, for me, so I'll just try. Okay, so I just have a node. First of all, we'll create a linked list. So let's create it. Let's create linked list 9549. I hope I'm doing it correctly. I don't know. But does it matter? I should enable Vim for now. Shall I do it? Do I have Vim? Oh my god, I don't have it now. Oh my god. Shit. But it's better to use Vim and also have, so I have this thing which is really important. Okay. So we just have to copy this thing. If you want this thing, you can just comment, give me a comment, and I'll make sure I add this file to you. This is a Vim file, like this is Vim setting that I've created for myself, which we can use in VS Code. go here and just scroll down a little bit, and after this I can do this. For now it will all be faded because we don't have Vim installed. We'll just do it. Yeah, we have installed it, and now just close this thing, and here we have our Vim with our settings. Cool. So what is Vim? Without using the mouse, I can navigate in my code editor. That's the use of Vim, and it's pretty good, to modify it, to delete the word, and to undo it, delete and rename. So this is the use of Vim, and it's really good. Okay, we are not. This tutorial is not about Vim. It's about. Okay, let's close this thing. After 4 we have 7. And after 7 we have 3. After 3 we have 10. So what they are going to do is they are going to first iterate the list in reverse list return list twice. Okay, so they are going to print this list once in reverse format, like 10 9 10 3 7 4 5 9, and then the reverse of it, like from the beginning, 9 5 4 7 3 10. So like this they're going to print it. So we'll create a function. First of all, we'll try to print it. Okay, how we are going to do it is first of all, this then that is not equal to null. Not head, but we are going to log what, and we're not going to talk about head, but temp for now. Okay, cool. Let's try to run this. Okay. Why so? What happened? Okay, so do JavaScript need this keyword? Okay, cool. So we need it. No issue. So we're getting it. Cool. We are getting the list once 9, the normal form of it, like this one, and the reverse will be the opposite, like starting from the ending. But no issue. We have this function. We'll create a function for this document. Print list, and we'll get an head, and then we're gonna do this stuff in this function. Okay. Cool. So we have this now. We have all the data, and now we are gonna work with this thing, XOR thing. I personally don't know anything about XOR operations. The only thing I know is that I know nothing about it, so forget about it. Let's just understand this thing. It's going to return this. Now I just want to understand what is the output of this. I just want to understand that first. Do that. I'll check if I got any messages from my viewers. No, up till now there is no message. Okay. Okay, let's just close this for now, and let's just console log head.next, but not like this, but new dot. So we'll understand what's the output for this. So we need two things. Okay, so we need two things. Let's see what will be the output for this. What's this? The output. I'm not able to understand the output. Just this thing. Should not be this thing. Do constructor return something? I don't know. Now how the hell the function is gonna work, bro? I'm stuck now. I'm completely stuck. I really don't know about this now. I think this problem is gonna take a lot of time of ours. Like the stream will be up till 10 o'clock, and till 10 o'clock we are gonna solve this problem if we are able to do it. We'll switch programming language. I guess we need to switch it because in Java some stupid stuff is happening. I don't know exactly what it is because I'm not able to get the output for this. The constructor is returning something, and I really don't understand what it is. Like it just this. So with this, I'm not able to, Let's just see if we have some. No, we don't have it. So let's try to save it. Let's just try to save it and let's see what we got here. Oh my god, Dart! This is Dart stuff, so we're getting the same stuff here. Let's just, for a second, transform this thing into a normal function there. Let's see what this returns us. Returns us 0. Okay. Let's change this to head. Still getting 0. What's the output of 1, 2? I really don't know what this XOR operation does. So first of all, I'm trying to understand what it does. Okay, if 1 and 1, if AND was there, output would be. I think now the output will be 1. Oh, it's still 0. Okay, if the inputs are the same, then we are getting the 0. If the inputs are different, what we'll get? Okay, first of all I got it. No issue for that. Okay, but how is this even linked to a single doubly linked list? Okay, I completely don't understand this thing. How is this even linked to this thing? Like a doubly linked list with only a single address. Oh my god, how I'm gonna test this if I myself is not gonna understand what I'm trying to do. Let's just try to insert two things. We'll insert 1 1 and we'll print let's see now how this will work. So we have the head, so we have the head now. Head with us. What we'll do, we'll create a new node. But how can I link these two things if there is only one pointer? I'm not getting the logic of it. There's only one node. It becomes a single linked list. How can they call this a doubly linked list then? So confusing, man. How we are gonna do this? Oh my god. Up till this, everything is normal. Then how the hell the backend stuff is gonna happen? XOR means what? XOR thing. XOR, bro, XOR. Have this. So there will be two boxes. Okay. So there will be two boxes. This will be our new. This will be old one. So it's pointing to some other thing. And actually, they are saying that this will be a doubly linked list. I'm not sure how they are saying this, but an XOR thing is clear. An XOR thing just has a construction with which returns normally constructor doesn't returns anything, but this constructor is returning. I'm completely unaware of this. Why is this so? Let's try to understand. So, for example, this is XYZ, and this is ABC. No, it's pointing to null. By the way, it's the starting. So now XYZ. How can we do this? Come on, think, Leo. Breathe in, breathe out, and think. I'm gonna do this. Then we are gonna add the data in it. Then okay, just give me a moment. I'll close the audio and I'll do some stuff and come. Okay, cool. I think I'm audible now also. So how this gonna be a doubly linked list? I really don't know. Is it gonna store this? Okay, first of all, what I can do is just for cheating, I can use the C++ syntax and I can understand something. NPX, nice. Oh my god, this syntax is so dangerous, you know. I don't think anything. I'm completely blank for this. I really don't know why. Why am I doing this? Is there anyone who can help me out in the comment section, in the chat section? Is there anyone? No, there's no one. I'll give life to myself. Yeah. Actually, I think I hope my screen is visible now. Okay, help me out in the comment section, in the chat section. Is there anyone? No, there's no one. I'll give like to myself. Okay, cool. Completely clueless. Okay, for now, what I can do is a simple thing. I'll just return the listing. That's it. I think this should work probably. I'm not doing anything with the XOR stuff. I don't know why it even exists. But let's check what I get now. I got the correct output as expected, but why the font is so much? This font is good. And the theme, do I have an option for theme? I'll definitely choose this one, which I'm using in the VS Code also. Okay, I'm getting the correct answer in the compile and run. 100% I know this thing that even if I submit this, it is not gonna work. But let's try. Okay, it failed in the 0th only. Okay, for this input my output was nothing. Okay, let's just copy this input thing and just paste it here. So for this input, my code haven't worked. Tamli chamli chamakte unat laka laka laka. Okay, I haven't run my code as well. Okay, so we are not getting the output for 22 and 11, even if I have added it. I think probably I should work with some other programming language like Java, because this thing is not gonna work for us. What is this? Okay, we'll probably work with Java now. I'm done with this JavaScript, because hope you are able to understand why I told you that we are gonna work with Java. Can I rename this file here? No, I cannot. So I'll just go ahead here and rename this file to new.java. And I will be opening this. Come on, VS Code, just open it here. shall you go back to your okay, cool. Cool. So Java is working fine. Let's learn. Let's do this stuff. Okay, where is the XOR? Oh my god, where is the... Okay, so actually insert function is should return a node. My bad, but no issue. We just have to repeat this thing we did previously. Node temp is equal to add and then not equal to null. We just need to oh my god, what I did here. This is not for this function. This is for this function, and in this function I just need to pass the data, and then cool. And then here what I have to do is just need to now I have forgotten what function was there, but I'll try my best to so if I talk about Java code, this should be our solution. I'm not even using the XOR thing. Okay, first of all, okay, we have npx. Okay, what is a this function was missing, I guess. Okay, so okay, is it because yeah, so now it's working. Cool. Ask Yogi. I don't think I need to do it. I've not used the XOR thing, but it's really weird. Cool. I was expecting this only. I think I'm gonna leave this thing because it's too okay. So there is a comment. Let's see what's the comment. Yo, I need to stop this, otherwise my net is gonna vanish. Okay, my god. So there was a comment here. Why was JS not working? Can you explain what was the question? I joined the stream just now. The main method. Okay. So yeah. So the JS was not working. I just switched to Java because in JavaScript the data types was not there, so I was not knowing that even I have to return something from this function. That's why, to get a good idea of the code, I switched to Java. I was planning to switch to C++, but it was, out of, it's not that good, like it was a little complex for me, so I switched to Java. But even after switching to Java, this question is little weird, because after switching to Java, I don't see any method using the XOR thing. This question is really, confusing, not complex, but confusing. The things are not clear here. What exactly I have to do? Yeah, so we'll try. And yeah, the question is about a doubly linked list, but linked list is not doubly at all. Okay, so like as you can see in this also, there's only one pointer, npx. I don't know why. What will be the full form of npx? Node pointers or something like that. But even though the problem is about a doubly linked list which requires only one space. So for example, we have normally the doubly linked list looks something like this, but in our case the doubly linked list looks like this, and still they are calling it a doubly linked list. I don't know why. I'm trying to understand that. And we have to complete this insert and get list function. The insert function will insert some elements in the head of the list, and the get list function will return a list just like this. So it will return something like this. Okay, so this was the question, and somewhat I hope I was able to, but let's go. So for this input, our code is not working. I don't know why, but let's see. First of all, I'll create a node head, and I'll input all the that's why I don't like, solving some problems like this, because in real world, I don't know when I'm going to use it. It's just like sin theta and cos theta stuff that we require only if I'm going to become a mathematician, then only I require sin theta cos theta stuff. So this problem solving in coding is just like that. But sometimes I do it because how much years experience do you have? You do it too fast. Oh yeah, bro. Actually, I do it fast because I'm using Vim, and yeah, like when I was starting my coding journey, like 2 or 3 years back, like I think 4 years, not 4 years, 3 years back, I came to know about Vim. So Vim is a text editor. I also have this thing. Yeah, this gvim. Okay. So this is a text editor in which you don't require any, like you require very less mouse. For example, you want to write, no. If you want to write void main, or like so you, as you can see, I'm not using mouse, but I'm using keyboards, like the buttons on my keyboard. J for down, K for up, H for left, L for right. Yeah. So this is Vim, and only because of Vim I'm able to do it. You can also go and check out for this thing. You can download this and you can start using it. If you want the files, if you want like my settings for the Vim, it's stored in this. In okay, I just need to search it by my eyes. Yeah, so this is the setting, Vim setting. If you want this, you can just tell me and I'll give you the link for that. How much? Okay. No hate, but I don't wanna see someone code after coding all day. Someone. Okay, bro. Understood. coding whole day. Okay, I got it. Like you don't want to see a person code. So what do you want to see? Tell me. Except for the stuff that you see on websites. Tell me something that you want to see. Or do you want to see my projects or some? Like you tell me, and I'll do. But first of all, as the motivation of this live stream is to get the problem done, solve this problem, I'm gonna do it. I'm so sorry about it. So let's continue to this weird question. We have our next input. Like I'm not a competitive coder. I just do it for time pass, you know. I don't like this stuff. This is just time pass. I like it, like for time pass. Okay, after 3 it was 4. And 2. The thing I'm doing right now is so boring. Yep, show some projects. Project, okay. I want to see my project. Normally, currently what I'm doing is I'm working on a Flutter framework. I'm learning that and I'm trying to create projects on that. So currently, like this all things are Android applications, so I won't be able to show you right now. But yeah, I think I have some projects right with. What is this? Okay, I currently don't have any projects, but if you want to see my portfolio website, so if you want to know about my uh, if you all want Flutter notes that I have created by my own, you can visit this website, the lazybusycoder-flutter.netlify.app, and you can get Dart notes here. This notes I have created. The GUI is not that great, but yeah, I've added it's just notes. So let's get back to my portfolio. Yeah, so this is me. Yeah, this is one of my projects which I have created on my own using React.js. Yeah. Also, thankfully, I remember one thing. Where is this? Yeah, this is also my React project. So I can show you this. I just need to open terminal. I hope all the let's see if this will work. Why? Okay, let's just sometime it happens. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, this should not happen. Okay, it was npm, not npx. Who grow your portfolio school? How to make one? Yeah, this portfolio I made it using React.js, Tailwind. Okay, Tailwind CSS, React.js. Yeah, these two things. So it's responsive also. So if you just switch it from normal screen to this thing, it's completely responsive. So if you want to create it, if you want a tutorial, hey bro, I want to be a Java developer, is Spring Boot a good framework to start with? I just have DSA knowledge. Yeah, I'll tell you, like, yes, Spring Boot is good. I will tell you even for me. So I was also into Java when I was in my third year. Like it was like 7 to 8 months ago. I was into Java. I liked it, and I purchased this course, Spring Boot 3, Spring and Hibernate for beginners, 31%. I've completed it, but then I left it because I didn't find it interesting. But if you are interested in Java and you want to learn Spring, go with it. Like as a coder from my end, I'll tell you one thing. Like whatever you like, you do it. You're not going to find a particular technology that's you know good for you. What I did for myself is learned. I just keep on learning. I keep on learning from different things. Like you can see the skills I have. So I keep on learning. And now, at this point of time, I am interested in Flutter. But it's not like if you keep on learning, you'll not grow. It's not like that. You have to learn to get some technology that you're really interested in. Like I've also tried data science, I've tried data analyst. So yeah, they are there, the things are there, but for me, the Flutter one, this thing, like it touched my heart. This technology touched my heart, and I really liked Flutter. I don't know why, but I like it because using Flutter, I can create Android apps as well as iOS apps and websites. Also for Windows, like you can imagine the power Flutter have. So that's why. The only drawback I see in Flutter is that when you try to, access the hardware stuff like the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it becomes hard. But normal things you can, like it's similar to React Native. Like as you can, I think if you have seen, I also had an I've also purchased a course for React Native. But after learning for it couple of hours, I just left it because it was not that good. React.js is better, but React Native it's for Android, but not Android. It's for iOS and Android, but it's not good. I didn't like it. So yeah, if you want to learn uh, Spring with Java, definitely go with it. It's not kind of hard. Okay, the first thing you want to keep in mind is nothing is hard in coding. You can do anything. And now in the time of chat gpt, okay, so I've generated all the description and the title of this video with chat gpt. Now in the times, I was telling is, now in the times where AI is there, don't fear of anything. Like you can learn anything, like creating an AI. If you're interested in some technologies, go with it. Just remember one thing. I'll tell you how to get to that goal of learning Spring Boot. Okay, I'll tell you that. Yeah, correct. Yeah, I've faced it. Old projects will have some random AF config errors while opening. Correct. Relatable. So just now I faced it. Okay. So what I was saying, yeah. So you are telling that Java and DSA. So this thing, when it comes to ChatGPT, for me, it's like, okay, if you know that, well and good. Okay. And then what you do from now, I think you have some knowledge. We can, we can build things now, days without even learning it completely, and that stuff is scary. Can be scary. I don't know. But yeah, but this is so good, I love this thing. I use it a lot. Due to these things, like the powers of these things are way too much. Okay, let's just continue. So Java plus D essay. After this, what you do, go to YouTube, learn something about Spring, some basic idea. You're not going to learn everything now only. Okay, you're not going to learn it. Remember this, you're not going to learn anything. Like you learn something, but not completely on YouTube. Okay, if you want to learn, after doing a course on YouTube, Like I cannot show you the video now, right now. Just give me a moment. Some noise is coming. Okay, sorry about that. Let's continue. So with YouTube, you watch some tutorials of Spring Boot, understand the basics. Then what you do, purchase a course on Udemy, just like me. Like I purchased one of the course from the Udemy, and after that, just give me a moment. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, let's continue. I'm really sorry. Yeah, nah, coders won't be replaced. Jobbers job will be there. Definitely, like no one can replace a human, man. Like human have a lot of things that computers currently don't have, but don't know about the future. How come caption is coming before audio? I really don't know about that, bro. Is it so? No, there's no one else human, man. Like human have a lot of things. I don't know. Dhanush, I really don't know how is that happening. But it's okay. Then you purchase a course on Udemy, Java plus DSA basics, and then do a course on YouTube. Then go to Udemy, and you'll definitely like the Udemy instructors are definitely good, better than YouTube. They'll instruct you where to go after the course, how to pursue the career. Yeah. So after this, you'll get an idea like how to actually do, how to go. Like after Spring, you have to learn a lot of things are there in web development. Like I used to love web development, but then a scam happened with me. I got completely frustrated because I searched for jobs. It's fine. I was just curious. Okay, bro. No issue for that. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, for coders, what happens? You go to this portal. If you go to any portal, any of the portals, okay, and we search for jobs. Let's just search for. I live in Pune, so I'll enter it. Search for jobs. Okay, you can see, and then we have these things. Then why the hell this thing came? But let's forget about where's that? Let's forget about that. See, now how much jobs are available here? One, two, three, four, five, six. Only six jobs are available currently. And even like every day I apply for some of the other jobs, but I don't get. Like say in Flutter development, what all things they need. Now there are a lot of scams that happens. So what I do is I search for the company in the Google. Okay, so this is a genuine company. So yeah, I can apply for this job. But yeah, there are very limited jobs available for fresher in the market. And for Flutter, it's available. If I talk about for this only, I got scammed. I'll tell you where. I don't remember the company. It is really happening. Appreciate your reply, man. By the way, I'm a BSc second year student and my college sucks. I can understand that, bro. I was in a college, like I just finished my graduation. I finished it in May, and I was doing BSc Computer Science. So I've graduated from it, from BSc Computer Science. Okay, and like I'll tell you one thing. I'm a good student. Okay, good student in the sense I love coding, like you know. So when I was in a college in my third year, this year itself, so I used to my teacher, one of the teacher from another department, from BCA department, and she approached me and she told me to help students of BCA second year to create their projects. Okay, so there was a lot of, like, I created like couple of 4 to 5 projects for them for the class, and even they were trying to pay me, but I didn't accept it. I was a fool back then. But yeah, like, I kind of, from once I've like, when I finished my 12th standard now, after that only I understood that this education system sucks a lot. It's completely if I have kids in my future, I will tell them study schools for time pass. Okay, because it's the education system is completely not good at all, not at all. Because in my course also, BSc Computer Science, there was so much theory, so much I was fed up of this. And even if like your course might have Node.js and what what's the scam? You want to know the scam? Okay, I'll tell you. I remember the company name. I'll tell it directly.